definitely cold. Hi, I'm freezing. Oh, it's so cold. Even when it was like 8 degrees outside, I still left it at 66 degrees and I was totally fine. But for some reason, it's 26 degrees outside and I am freezing my ass off. Hello, I'm here. I have my sleepy time mint tea here. Here we are, and we're gonna play with some skincare because it's Skincare Sunday. Even though it's 2 o'clock in the morning right now, it's probably 11 o'clock, maybe sometime in the afternoon for you guys. And I hope that you have some skincare plans today. It's Skincare Sunday. Mwah. So without further ado, we're gonna get into this weekend's Skincare Sunday. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm using a brand that I have loved for some time. I'm trying out some new products from them and also using some of my favorites. And I'm using products that are already in my routine. So let's get into it. These lights are so bright, can you tell? All right guys, let's get into this routine. I'm so excited to try this. So this is the Hyaluronic Marine Hydrating Model Mask. So it says, if you have dehydrated skin, dull complexion, and fine lines and wrinkles, definitely dehydrated skin. My skin looks super dull as all hell right now. And we're not even gonna say that I have wrinkles because I don't have wrinkles. I am 24. And you want instantly plumped, supple skin, deep hydration, and dewy radiance, then you should use this. So let's use this. So my face is clean. That is why I am starting with this mask right here. Oh my God, look, it's a cute little kit. Oh my God, it comes with everything. So you get a little spatula, only one spatula. They give you like little cups. Oh, I like, okay. You have the activating powder, and you have the Hyaluronic Cushion Gel. So that's everything. I think that's in here, right? So there's 4 uses you can get out of this right here. 4 treatments, 4 bowls, and 1 spatula. So keep your spatula. So you're just gonna mix the powder. Okay, this is easy enough. We got this. So let's do this gel first. Ooh, ooh. Whoa, it's blue. So we're just gonna get all this gel out of this packet. Guys, what's the coolest mask you've ever tried? So I've got all my marine gel in here. And now I have the little powder. I think we're just gonna mix it up now. Wow, I wish I could just try masks all day. That'd be so fun. Okay, it says immediately put it on your face. Okay, immediately. Let me put my hair back. Guys, like my Disney shirt? Yay, I can't wait to go back to Disney. It's gonna be cold and I'm already cold and uncomfortable. Okay. Oh my God, it's cold. Definitely not the mask to do when you're freezing your ass off, but hopefully this will hydrate the hell out of my skin. You know what, the spatula is not doing it for me. It says it's supposed to set in 5 to 7 minutes, but you can leave it on for 15. I'm gonna leave it on as long as I can, because it does, these masks get so itchy because you can feel everything like sliding and setting, and it's really, really weird. But here's a close-up. Isn't it so cool? So cool, it's like 3D. All right, so I'm gonna let this sit for a little bit and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back, I'm freezing. It's always weird drinking stuff and eating stuff with a mask on. Ooh, feels so weird. Watch this magic. Ah! You. It's so weird how this mask literally feels moisturizing. It feels really good. Definitely, like I said, not a mask to do when you're freezing cold because my face is really cold right now. But I can definitely feel the difference. Ooh, oh, my hands feel so good. So now that we have moisturized our face with that mask, we're gonna move on to one of my favorite products from Dr. Dennis Gross. That is the Alpha Beta peeling pads. Oh, we got the wrong, not in the right language. They're the Alpha Beta Extra Strength Daily Peel. They have ones that are for more sensitive skin that aren't as strong. My skin can take it, and I love them. I love them. So basically what these do, it is a 2-step peel, and it doesn't actually peel your skin per se. So you're not gonna see it peel off kind of like how we peeled off this mask. It's gonna be more of an exfoliator that's going to kind of take off the top layer of your skin, and then, you know, the next day have brighter, more beautiful skin. There are 2 steps to this. There is the exfoliate and smooth, and then there is the anti-aging neutralizer. So let me read a little just so you guys know. So it has the strongest dose of acids plus antioxidants and vitamins that lift away dead skin along with the excess oils and impurities while improving the appearance of tone and texture. So that is what they say, kind of like a better definition of what I just said. But we're gonna use step 1 first. This is the #1 product that I use, or type of product that I use when I want to get rid of scars. So any scars that you see from like leftover acne, any unevenness, and I really like get this like on my face. So once I'm done with step #1, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna let it sit on my skin for about 60 seconds, and then I'm gonna go on to step 2. While we're waiting for step #1 to settle into our skin, I'm gonna move on to lips. This is the Hyaluronic Marine Lip Cushion. And I'm really excited to try this. Always love me some new lip products. If I like this, you guys, it's gonna go straight into my bathroom. Kind of smells like chocolate. So you definitely can feel this working. It feels like it almost feels like how Vaseline feels, but like this is much lighter in consistency than Vaseline, but it feels like it's the consistency of Vaseline, which isn't really a bad thing. It would definitely feel weird all over my face, but it's only on my lips. Like a little tingly. Yeah. Interesting. Moving on to step #2. And again, we're gonna wait for this one to dry for about 2 minutes. While we're waiting for that one to dry, I'm gonna apply the Dr. Dennis Gross C+ Collagen Brighten and Firm Eye Cream. Look how cool this bottle is. Okay guys, so we have done our mask, we did our peel, we did our lips, and we did our under eyes. Now we're gonna do our serum and moisturizer and complete this skincare routine using Dr. Dennis Gross products. Dr. Dennis Gross actually sent me over this right here. This is brand new. This is their clinical grade IPL dark spot correcting serum. Now I specifically don't have necessarily dark spots, but I do have a lot of acne scarring, like right here on my forehead, right there on the side of my cheek. I have some right here and over here. So I'm hoping that this dark spot serum will do the same for those spots. So here it is right here in its cute little package. So it's 10% L-ascorbic acid, quoic acid, and lactic acid. The benefits are to diminish visible discoloration, prevent future discoloration, and brighten and smooth complex, which is the main reason why I want to use this baby. So I'm going to just take a couple of drops. And the suggested regimen on here, we've been following it pretty well. Okay, you guys, our last product part of this skincare routine is the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Exfoliating Moisturizer. We're really focusing on bringing out that brand new skin, getting rid of all of that dead skin on top, illuminating the skin, and just glowing. So I've been using this moisturizer for some time, day and night, and I have been really liking it. I don't know, something about the way that it feels on my skin. I haven't used it long enough to really share a difference with you guys just yet, but I have been liking it thus far, and I have noticed a couple of my spots and my scars have slowly gone away, and my face overall does look better. You know, it's not like I have acne here and there and spots here and there, but overall when you look at my face, it doesn't look like, you know, that's not the first thing you go and look at. It's really evening out my skin and whatnot. So here is the cream right here. I'm just gonna apply a generous-ish amount. Don't forget your neck. Okay, here's my skin. Definitely looking a lot more clean, a lot more bright, and ready for freaking bed. All right, guys, that's it for my skincare routine using Dr. Dennis Gross products. You best bet I'm going to be using these once a day. So the recommended is using one of these little packets once a day. So I'm going to be integrating this into my regimen. I had so many of these before and I did integrate it into my regimen, but then I ran out. But now we are replenished and I love these guys. So I'm gonna be integrating these back in. I'm gonna be trying out this lip balm for some time as well. I don't have a lip balm in my bathroom right now, so we're just gonna throw that in there. And I'm gonna continue to use the Alpha Beta Exfoliating Moisturizer just to kind of bring everything together, and also integrate the IPL Dark Spot Serum as well, because I did run out of my Sunday Riley Good Genes. I have another one, but we're gonna give this guy a shot and see how all of these work together to brighten my skin. I will definitely update you guys, and please DM me if you want an update and I've forgotten to give you an update, because sometimes I do change my skincare routine depending on how my skin is feeling during the week, or if I just get bored, or if I know that the weather is changing, or if I'm going somewhere, or if I'm on vacation. Depends on so many different factors, but I'm really liking these products and this routine. So I'm definitely going to keep up with it for sure, especially these guys. I hope you guys had an awesome Sunday, or you're having an awesome Sunday, depending on whenever you're watching this. As always, make sure to subscribe to me right here in the center of the screen, and check out all of my other videos on the side, especially my other skincare Sunday videos. They're so much fun to watch, I promise. Leave your comments down below. Leave your suggestions down below. What do you guys want to see next? What brands do you want me to try out and play with? Leave that all down below, and I will see you guys next Sunday. Love ya. Bye.